Morning folks, today I'm going to use the ceramic washer wax like I would use a rinseless shampoo, because it doesn't give me a lot of suds. I can easily remove the water using a towel, but I'm going to use a chamois today because it's all I got. So I'm going to go through the process. So I'm not going to pre-spray anything, so I'm going to take a microfiber. I'm going to take a microfiber towel straight away. What I'm going to do is squash it out, fold it in. I'm going to go glide through the surface just like this, all the way down. As you can see, picked up all the dirt. I'm going to use my chamois. I'm going to rinse it off first. Rinse it off pretty well. So, see, I've gotten the same solution. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to slide the chamois through the panel, and it's going to collect all the water. So yeah, it does work nice, to be honest, as a waterless wash. And I'm going to finish off the rest of the car just like that. It's so easy to use the shampoo as a rinseless wash. I'm assuming because it has this glidey lubricant in it, so it's really easy to clean. I'm going to wipe down the panel. I like straight lines. That's it. I'm just going to wipe down this bottom part. Picked up the dirt. Unfold the chamois. I dry the car using straight lines as well. So, as you can see, we're left with a nice and waxed surface. This car has been covered and polished with the same product, the turtle wax. So yeah, this is the finish, and this is the final product. These are the final results. The car is really clean. I went through the wheels with the shampoo as well, with the mitts. It did a really nice job. So yeah, you can use it as a rinseless. It does a great job. It feels really glidey and slidey and nice, although the car wasn't dirty in the first place. But yeah guys, like and subscribe. Really nice finish.